Kia ora! Welcome to the first lesson on the agent emphatic. Today, we're looking at future tense. To start with, I'm going to explain what the agent emphatic is with an example. Imagine someone asks you, "What are you going to do today?" And you answer, "I'm going to walk the dog." This is the active future, which we've already seen. In this case, you could also answer, "Walk the dog." It's not necessary to specify that you will do it. What matters is the action, not necessarily who does it. Now, imagine that someone asks, "Who's going to walk the dog?" And you answer, "I'm going to walk the dog." This is the agent emphatic. In this case, you could also answer, "Me." It's not necessary to include the action. What matters is who will do it, not the action itself. In English, there isn't a grammatical difference between the two examples. The answer to both questions could be, "I'm going to walk the dog." However, in Māori, the second example has its own structure, which is the agent emphatic. That is what we're going to learn today. Let's look at how to create this structure with the question, "Who will cook?" To ask, "Who will cook?" we start the sentence with mā. Then we put the word wai, which means who. After that, we put the word e. It's the combination of the words mā and e that create the agent emphatic. At the end, we put the verb. Tunu means to cook. Mā wai e tunu? Who will cook? To answer, if the agent is aho, me, koe, you, or ia, him, her, we have to change the words mā wai like this. Māku e tunu. I will cook. Māu e tunu. You will cook. Māna e tunu. He or she will cook. If the agent is someone else, we simply replace the word wai with the agent. For example, mā te wahine e tunu. The woman will cook. Mā rātou e tunu. They will cook. Mā Maria rāua ko Ana e tunu. Maria and Anna will cook. We can add what they will cook after the agent. For example, Māku te kai e tunu. I will cook the food. Māu ngā hēki e tunu. You will cook the eggs. Māna te hupa e tunu. He or she will cook the soup. Mā te wahine te kai e tunu. The woman will cook the food. Mā rātou ngā hēki e tunu. They will cook the eggs. Mā Maria rāua ko Ana te hupa e tunu. Maria and Anna will cook the soup. Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Hopu means to catch. Mā wai te pōro e hopu. Who will catch the ball? Mā te kuri te pōro e hopu. The dog will catch the ball. Āwhina means to help. Mā wai ia e āwhina. Who will help her? Mā tōna pāpā ia e āwhina. Her father will help her. Whakaweto means to turn off. Mā wai te rama e whakaweto? Who will turn off the lamp? Mā Maria te rama e whakaweto? Maria will turn off the lamp. Ako means to learn. Mā wai te reo Māori e ako? Who will learn the Māori language? Māku te reo Māori e ako? I will learn the Māori language. There you have it. Now you know how to form the agent emphatic in the future tense. In the next lesson, we'll look at past tense. Ka kite!